day, guys. What if I tell you your video might be amazing, but YouTube is slowly killing it before anyone sees it? It's not your content, it's your file. First of all, what is file optimization? File optimization is naming your video so that YouTube will be able to understand what your video is about even before you upload it. Yes, this is one secret 90% of creators are using now. That is why most of your videos are stuck at 200 views, 300 views. Yes, because most of you are not naming your files. Yes, most of you, your file name is very messy. It's very messy. That is why your videos are not reaching anywhere. YouTube does not understand what your content is about. You are not optimizing your file. That is why your videos are not getting engagement. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your file so that from today henceforth, you will start getting views. Okay? And the way to optimize your file is by using your main keyword. Yes, use your main keyword to name your file, then add some tags. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it, because if you're using Android phone, it's different from those using iPhone. Okay, it's very easy. It's very easy. The way it looks now is not how it should be, but this is the best way you should name your file before uploading it. Okay, because your file name is what YouTube reads, okay, as part of the ranking system. Yes, your file name is very, very important. 2, audio quality. Please and please, wherever you are making your videos, please, it should not be in a noisy place. Please, your background should not be noisy. Yes, if your background is noisy, even if the visuals, okay, is looking clean, people will leave the video. Okay, make sure you're using a good microphone, okay, or be more louder, okay, and make sure that everything happening in the background of that video is not noisy. Okay. 2, video quality. Yes, the quality of your video should be very clean. It should be very neat. Okay, YouTube checks the quality of video too. If your video is blurry, people will click off, and when people click off, there will be no retention, and when there is no retention, YouTube will not recommend your videos, and there will be no engagement. Okay, please and please, these things I mentioned now is very, very important. Okay, and next is add edits to your video. Yes, add overlay edits. Okay, whatever caption you're using, let it be very bold. Okay, add some funny reactions to your video. Okay, because a long video that is boring is terrible and people will click off. Look, it's better for your videos to be short and have good retention than for your videos to be long and have no retention. You get what I'm saying? Okay, so make sure that you zoom in 2 to 3 seconds, zoom in and zoom out 2 to 3 seconds in your video, add some edits, funny reactions, some funny memes, and make your videos interesting. Okay, and you will see people will watch your video. Okay, no matter how long the video is. Okay, this is just a way of making people to stay glued to your screen. Okay, very, very important. Always add emojis. Yes, add arrows. Make your videos interesting. People will stay and watch. I'm telling you, people will stay and watch. It will keep people glued. People will will keep watching your videos. Okay, if you apply all these steps that I just mentioned, your video will go far. Yes, file optimization is the secret. I'm telling you the truth now. The secret is out. File optimization. Optimize your videos before posting, before uploading, and you are going to do well. You will see how your views will skyrocket. Okay, so please, if you want more tips or tricks, because I'm going to be sharing a lot of tips and tricks, okay, in this channel. If you want more tips and tricks, I want you to subscribe to my channel, okay? And I also make a video. Yes, I made another video. I want you to go and check it out, okay? There are secret settings you need to go and turn on. Yes, I made a video of how to go and turn on those secret settings, and I want you to go and check it out, okay? And please, okay, don't give up. Okay, you can do it. If others are doing it, you can do it too. Don't give up. As far as you have started, keep pushing, and one day you are going to see progress.